Changing the automatic backup on stop in Express Scribe. To automatically have the dictation back up a small amount of time when lifting your foot off the play pedal or when using stop on the play controls, change the auto backstep on stop setting. Click the Options button on the toolbar. Then, go to the Playback tab. The auto backstep on stop setting is the last item in the Playback section. Remember that this time is in milliseconds, so a number of 1000 is equal to 1 second. Change this setting by entering a new time using your keyboard or use the up or down arrows. Click OK to close the Options dialog and save your new setting. For more Express Scribe tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.